Hi guys, I'm back with the gel polish mani. So I have some full coverage nail tips here from Rosalind. I got them from Amazon. I have already buffed them off camera and removed the buffing dust. So I'm going in with 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 Extra Bond just to have a sticky layer on the nail to give the gel polish something to adhere to. This is a Christmas themed gel polish mani. So I'm going in with 𝑀𝒊𝒔𝒉's base coat and applying a thin layer of that to the nails, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I am using three colors from 𝒊𝒔𝒉: Perfect White, Perfect Green, and Legacy. This is again a Christmas themed gel polish set. So I have a red, a green, and a white. So I'm applying a thin layer of color to the nails, and then I will cure them for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Now with these particular colors, or white I should say, me and white gel polishes, I've said this in another video, white can be relatively streaky. So after I get that a good coat on the nail, I'm going to kind of let that nail sit. 𝒊𝒔𝒉's polishes are pretty self-leveling and they are highly pigmented. So I'm turning that nail over just to give gravity time to work on that nail. And once I do that, I'm just using my finger to remove any excess polish on the bottom of that nail, and I'm wiping my finger on a lint-free towel there and popping that in the lamp. So I'm going in with Legacy, which is a really vibrant red. I did have Perfect Red, but I didn't use Perfect Red because I couldn't find it. I didn't find it until after the fact. So I'm applying a thin layer of that to the nail as well. Nicely pigmented color. And then I'm going to pop that in the lamp as well. Now you can polish all of the nails and pop them in the lamp all at once, but didn't do that. So while that's curing, I'm going in with Perfect Green on what will be the ring finger. This particular color, I only applied one coat because I'm going to cover this nail up or apply something else to this nail. So once I get that first coat on the nail, I'm going to pop it in my lamp and give it a cure. So two nails or three nails are going to be red, one is white, and one is green. I only show three nails on camera. So while that nail is curing, here are the other nails with one coat of color. I'm then going in and applying a second coat of color to the nail, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Of course, with the second coat of color, you get more opacity on the nail. Even though I think one coat you do end up getting full opacity, but you're on the side of a nicely pigmented color and not having a splotchy color on the nail, and go ahead and do two coats. Some people even do three coats, but I think three coats is too doggone much. With the green nail, I'm going in with a layer of 𝒊𝒔𝒉's base coat and applying that to the nail. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I have some green glitter that I want to apply to this nail. I don't have a green glitter gel polish from 𝒊𝒔𝒉. So what I'm going to do is I'm just taking the lid or using the lid to catch the glitter, and I have a paper towel underneath because glitter gets everywhere. I always say glitter is real disrespectful because it gets everywhere. And I'm sprinkling the glitter on that wet layer of gel base. And so once I get the nail coated to my liking, I'm going in with my gloved finger and I'm removing any gel that's hanging over the sidewall or the edges of the nail. And then I'm just lightly pressing that glitter down so that it will lay as flat as possible on the nail. And so once I get that glitter placed or on the nail the way I like it, I'm going to pop it in my lamp for a full 60-second cure. curing. I didn't brush the excess glitter off the nail. There is none, let's be clear. And then I'm going to apply a layer of gel base and cure in my LED lamp, followed by a layer of gel top coat, because later I'm going to buff that nail. So once I get that base cured, top coat cured, the nail is, again, it's a no wipe top coat. So I'm going in with my nail buffer and I'm going to buff that nail. And the reason why, it wasn't as smooth as I wanted it with the glitter. So to just make that nail as smooth as possible, because I did wear these for, well, actually I still have them on. Today is Thursday, December the 19th, and I did this video on a Sunday. I want that nail to be as smooth as possible. So once I buff the nail, that top coat layer, I then take a dusting brush to remove excess dust from the nail. I then take an alcohol wipe to remove any excess dust that the brush didn't get off from the nail. And then I will go in and apply a layer of top coat and cure, and that's the final with this nail. With the other nails, I'm going in with an alcohol prep pad, and I'm going to remove the inhibition layer from the white and the red nails, because we're going to do some nail stamping. You can see, even though the nails are fully cured, some of that gel polish, that pigmentation or that color comes off. And so I'm getting my nail supplies ready. I have my clear jelly stamper, and I have my sticky pad here. This is what I use to clean my stamper in between stamps. And then I'm going in with clear jelly stamper plate. I think the CJSC21, I've used it before. I think the name of this plate is Patterned Holidays. So I'm going in with a red from clear jelly stamper, and I'm going to use the stripes on that plate. Now, I did end up stamping the first set of stripes in red and the second set of stripes in green. Just kind of like a candy cane effect. I've had over the years green candy canes, red candy canes, and candy canes with both stripes in there. We've had pink candy canes, whatever it works. But this year I didn't get any candy canes. Interesting. I just didn't, you know what? I don't recall seeing any candy canes in the store. I don't know, but I wasn't looking, but I don't recall seeing any. Not that they don't exist. I just haven't been in the store to see it. So I'm going in with the stripes. The first image didn't pick up like I wanted it to. And so I'm just pressing that down on the nail, and we have our first set of stripes. And I'm just using that sticky pad to clean off my stamper head. So I'm going in with Evergreen from Maniology. And this came, I think, in a subscription box or a holiday box. I think I've gotten 3 holiday boxes, and so color came, I think, from a holiday box. So I'm just applying that polish to the plate, scraping and picking that up. So here I'm shaking just a little bit. I'm trying to get those green lines in between, and my phone's ringing, Lord have mercy. I think I'm the only person in America with a house phone. And so once I get those green stripes placed, I'm going in with white, and I'm going to use the swirls, and I'm going to add swirls to the pinky nail and the thumbnail. I've used the swirls in my video I think I released last week. Why not use them again? I think they're pretty. Now those swirls tried to give me a little hard time, and I had to pick those up several times. Sometimes it's hard to pick up images that's on the very edge of the plate. It's just weird. And so you can use your scraper card to remove excess image from the stamper head, or you can use your glove. If you have a glove on your hand, you can use your thumbnail or any nail to remove polish from that stamper head. So I'm going in with another plate. This one is from, I think this is Uber Chic Beauty. Yeah, ho ho ho. And so I wanted to use the word Merry Christmas on here. And so y'all, when I picked it up, I was like, okay, this is gonna be cute on my index finger. It didn't fit, and I tried it twice. So I end up turning it sideways, like the long ways on the nail, because it just would not fit. And I don't even know why I tried to make it fit this way. Like, what was you doing? I don't know. I don't know. When I saw this, I saw Sandra Sparkly Nails, her channel. She had this same plate, and she used it to do a cute reindeer themed mani. It was so cute, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. She used the kind of maniology, it had some brown flocking powder, and she used it to make like a Rudolph nail and put a Rudolph charm on it, and it was really, really cute. So guys, here are the nails. And I'm going in with Madame Glam's No White Top Coat, and I'm applying that to the nail. I did give the stamping a little bit of time to dry. I gave it like maybe 5 minutes. It usually doesn't take that long. And so I'm going in with Madame Glam's No White Top Coat, applying that to the nail, making sure that all of the nails are shiny. And then I will cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So recently on Amazon, I came across these adhesive nail taps. They're called Jolly Snaps. And so I mentioned them in a previous video where I did dip powder nails, and they were saying like unrivaled adhesion. And I was like, okay, unrivaled adhesion. So I did the prep, like I pushed my cuticles back. I sanded my nails with a buffing block, remove the shine, and the directions tell you to put the adhesive on your nails. Don't do that because it's hard to get the paper backing off. And so what I did was I put the adhesive inside of the actual press on nail itself. So I'm cleaning my nails off with alcohol. Again, I did the prep off camera, and I did this video on Sunday. And these nails, today is Thursday the 19th that I did my voiceover. These nails are still on. They did not budge. But I do, when I wash dishes, I do use gloves. I use these same adhesives on a press-on set for my daughter last week. They're still on. So they do have unrivaled adhesion. It says up to 3 weeks. Now, I don't think I'm going to get up to 3 weeks of wear. However, this is the adhesives that I have used that have actually given me more than a day of wear. So I like these, and I purchased them with my own money on Amazon. I will say I do appreciate these. I've had these nails on now. Today is Thursday, so I'll put them on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I'll probably have them on tomorrow as well. The only reason why I'm popping these off is because I did other sets, and I need to record them on my nails. Like I've already done the video. I have 2 more Christmas sets that I did, and I want to show them on my nails. And I thought this one was really, really pretty. And once I got them on, I'm just pressing it down, making sure, to get that good adhesion on the nail. I will also, now my middle nail, for some reason, it was a little, it wasn't wide enough. So I do have a little bit of nail peeking through on that right side of my middle finger, but you can't really see it. But I do show you on camera. I'm like, oh crap. And again, these are the Rosalind full coverage nail tips. They were $2.99 when I bought them on Amazon. Now the prices went up to like $4 and some change. But I had bought several packs when they were $2.99 after I found out that I liked them. Because they're kind of thick, but they work. They work. And so, again, just getting those on the nail, pressing them down. One thing about doing nail adhesives, you do want to wait. So like either you put these on as soon as you go to bed, but you don't want to expose your fingers to, or your nails to, water within an hour of applying those adhesives, because it is going to impact the wear. So give it about an hour after you put them on, and then you can expose your nails to water. And since then, I take a shower twice a day. You wash your hands throughout the day going to the bathroom. I lotion my hands. I use cuticle oil, and these things are still on. The only nail that kind of lifted just a little bit was my ring finger, the green nail. But I just press it back down, and it's still on here, still good to go. So I give these a win. So guys, coming up is the finished look with the nails on. Please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you next time.